wabarakatuh. We from Group 3, we will explain material related to CV and job application later. Before we explain, we will introduce ourselves first. My name is Rifan Pratama. My name is F1A 2212 17.
My name is Ricky Apriyadi. My name F1E 222-045.
My name is Sally Anggraini. My name F1A 222 2033.
My name is Alvin Adila. My name F1A 2225 55.
My name is Nuri Dayat. My name is F1A 22 2003.
Letter introduction. Letter introduction is type message official which is used by organization or agency related for give information, introduction, or recommendation somebody to party order. Letter disclose information about identify sender, background behind writing message, until information other which relate with needs certain. Objective. Letter introduction on a number of objectives between other one for request help or cooperation from party other in something activity or project. Two, for give information related with something activity or project. Three, for give recommendation or agreement to something application or proposal. For as proof or saying that something document or goods which brought by somebody on permission or agreement from party which concern.
Next, type. Number 1, letter introduction for application work. This is letter introduction, the most general, used for a text CV and convey interest you in applied position, content, a company or organization. Letter is covered motivation for applied position, the why you interest with company, and how qualification you can give mark first. Number 2, letter introduction for delivery document. Letter introduction is used for send document content to recipient, like letter introduction for send report, certificate, or document order. Next. Making letter the requirement. In making a letter introduction with effective, there is a number of information important it must input. Number 1, identity sender. Name, contact, and position from party mission letter introduction. Discover information contact like address, number telephone, and email if required. Number 2, identity recipient. Name, contact, and position from recipient letter introduction or name organization or institution which omit if letter introduction address to something anything. Number 3, the get writing letter introduction for objective reference time. Number 4, objective letter introduction. Explain in a way short objective from letter introduction there. For example, for send document, submit application, or convey information input type. Number 5, content mine. Description field or document dispatched if there is matter discover details about what which hashed addressation where document the sent or input. Number 6, Information addition. Information addition, which is relevant for clarify context, or instruction special to recipe, like action which may taken or information important order. Number 7, classing. Saying care laughter recipient on this attention, as well as saying hand or name complete from sender, assigning assignment or verification. Number 8, attachment. If there is attachment like document, certification, or information addition which relevant, but with clarity later introduction. Number 9, format and arrangement location. Make sure later introduction arranged with use format is within accordance and language which clear as well as professional. Number 10, contact emergency. Information contact emergency from sender which contact for question more carry on or if there is problem which case related with further information. Thank you.
Okay, next, CV curriculum vitae. CV or curriculum vitae is a document important which containing about journey career somebody, start from education until experience. CV not only simply list history life, will about also a card or document which first time sound party company is from introduction self. For that, important for you in compile CV must detail, short, clear, consistent, and real. Next, objective, goal special for making CV. 1. Displaying history life professional. CV aim for summaries history life professional somebody include education, experience, work, and performs with relevant. This help candidate employer understand background behind career you in a way short and clear. So qualification and education. CV intended for highlighting qualification academic you like title, programs education, course of or training with relevant, as well as preference academic with possible relevant with position with purpose. 3. So experience work. CV serve expression work you good which relate direct with field work which your apply no nor with strengthen qualification you. This help candidate employer evaluate ability you for fill in role certain for highlighting skill and skill. CV used for so skill technical and so which you have like skills communication, leadership, analytical or like which master, which relevant, which work which you want. 5. Provide proof credibility and reliability. Yud, tolong Yud, kasih Yud, soalnya Yud. CV help build image professional and reliability you candidate work. So dedication you career and greatness from contribute informant work. Make your conclusion about potential preference. CV help candidate employer make conclusion beginning about ability you for fulfill demands work based on information which provided. 7. Facilitate process selection. CV work as tool evaluation beginning with possible candidate employer or or recruiter for choose candidate the most in accordance with need position which there us. 8. So interest and concern. CV can costumes for so interest you to company or industry curtain with include experience or skill which relevant and can give mark post for company the
Tipe number 1 CV chronologies. CV this complete experience, work education, and skill based on order time. Start from the experience come news until long time. This for general use give description, chronology, and development care of somebody. Number 2, CV functional. CV functional design skill and achievement special with the grouping experience, word education based on type, skill which are relevant, type this subtable is for the day which went to highlighting skills 10 or the weekly charts care. Making CV. In making curriculum vitae or CV effective, there is the number of the information important which include number 1 information person. Now, 1 name complete. Number 2 address place stay. Number 3 number telephone. Number 4 email. Number 5 link profile LinkedIn. No website version. Number 2 statement for professional object statement. Number 1 summary short objective care of the what is your pack for the positive which your plan. Number 3 education. Number 1 title which need include that graduates and institute education which mean title the. Number 2 history education. Find which one with percentage your apply. Number 4 experience word. 1 experience word let's include division, name, company, location, date, start and finish, as well as not quality unknown answer, which means significant during water. Kemudian number 5 skill. Number 1 skill speech which relevant with which word apply like the language programming, skill technical, skill communication, and skills of other. Number 6 award and performance. Number 1 award or compensation which ensure which industry which your title. Number 7 activity extracurricular or extracurricular or organization. Number 1 participation in organization club or activity other in now sites a mere woman academic or professional. We show in involvement and leadership. Number 8 certificate or training. Certification or training edition which men with field watching your play. Number 9 reference. If request or the request include information context, contact from the reference which can give the testimony about qualification and performance you. Number 10 for the argument location. Make sure CV again which that location which needs a ADC period. You ask the fourth clear and sites which is accordance as well as separate every part with clean as title and subtitle. Number 11 customization CV for the every positive which your apply focus skill and vertical most relevant forward that different CV and letter development focus mind CV focus caution story professional and education in a way comprehensive temporal letter introduction focus next focus one's experience and skill the most relevant for the position which process as well as to motivation personal. Style reading, my more natural and factual and conscious we whereas later introduction more depend on narrative and persuasive for the dual case what you want it considerate contact us CV as a document reference main in from sales recruitment where a letter introduction as to for the statement and in flight application you await a person.
The following is an example of a cover letter and CV when applying for a job. In this application letter that the applicant wants to apply for a job at PT Adwingsa Telecommunication and Electrical as helper position. And applicants attach various supporting documents such as ID card, photo of themselves, diplomas, CV, and child letters education. In this application letter, 3 is a writing error regarding the helper position because the position of helper has various files. For example, operational helper and so on. This is an ATS-friendly CV because the content are paragraph. This CV is divided into two parts, including a creative CV and a friendly CV. In this CV, 3 is a course a description of ourselves as in the applicant's CV. It is written that he is a 4 tahun semester Unda electrical engineering student with a specialization in strong current, as well experience such internship and organization education, Jambi City, and SMK N3 Jambi City. And 3 are also certificate and licensee on this CV. Such are from ASDM and also from PT Galang Persada Jambi. Because this training is important to address to HR, so that we know that we are competent in the field in which we are applying. Gen 3 is experience recording internship where the applicant wrote that he had experience in the field of electrical installation and in the organization Himatro served in the internal and external relation department, as well as hard CV and soft skill. as well as hard skill and soft skill. Conclusion. Lecture introducing and curriculum vitae is to document the in-process submission work or after business. Several as summary with systematic from qualification, education, and experience work somebody which served in a way chronological or thematic for give description, which clear to candidate employer about capability and background behind professional applicant. Inside author later introducing deep dimension personal and persuasive, which nurture is in CV, which later introducing applicant option for explanation personal, which I interested with position or company curtain, highlighting skill special which relevant and why the sustainable for role the combination from SCON document is possible applicant for give description, which comprehensive and convincing report which responsible answer in process selection, as well as from interesting intention and so seriousness J in text step next in career or business J. Thank you.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.